Are you recording me already? I gotta hit the vape. Hold on 1 second. Shit. Turn away. Look away, bro. Okay. Anyways, Jordan, I have to stop being so awkward. So let's just act normal here, okay? Let's act natural. All right. So the intro of this video, which obviously when you watch the video is gonna realize there's nothing to do with what we were doing in here today. We're doing a little spring cleaning inside the shop today. So if you know anybody watching, what would you say, 15 to 20 Ram 1500 short bed? This is a tonneau cover for that Ram if you need it. You know anybody who needs it? No, we're not talking about that. That's for another video. That's another time. Don't look in the corners. Don't look really anywhere. I mean, we've been cleaning up. We've been trying to clean some of the clutter out and junk out. We got the truck going, power steering pump's working. That's all gonna be in the next video. I literally have drums on the way. I ordered them last Sunday, and here we are 7 days later, Sunday. They were supposed to be here Friday. They've been delayed for 2 days in a row now. They're 5 minutes up the road being delayed. I don't really know what's going on with that or when we're gonna I don't know. I'm just, this video is purely just content for around Faulkner Farm and what Faulkner Fab does whenever we're not making YouTube videos. A little bit of whatever, behind the scenes if you want to call it that. Yo, what's up everybody? A little update. This video obviously is not the typical kind of content that we make around here, but man, currently out here in the craziness that is the yard, which probably wait till Timbo, cameraman, little brother, till everybody gets here and we'll kind of explain what happened. All this wood here was kind of let's just say bestowed upon us. Like you can see the logs over there, and there's wood all right here, all back down through here. I'll kind of walk you around. I'm trying to cut the grass. I haven't cut the grass on this part of the yard in probably 2 summers, honestly, because I mean, this is the reason why. I'm going over it and I'm just kind of being careful. I've been trying to get some time lapses as I cut the grass that I'll throw in. Like this side of the yard, we usually try to maintain around the shop, and I've let it grow up this year because I was messing with the bed and I had firewood in the yard. But usually we maintain, basically this tree is the line, and we maintain up here around the garage and everything. And all this is realistically unmanageable. There's briars right there. I stopped this far. I can probably get a little bit more of that before the briars get me. All this right here, briar patch, and it just kind of gets thicker. I don't know how much more of this I feel like or think I should do with my zero turn. How much more bush hogging needs to be done. There's a lot of wood, and there's a lot that we need to sort. Realistically, I got my tractor up and going. Hopefully, I would like to clean this up enough to get it all moved over. I'll show you where. Realistically, on the back side of the property right here where these are stacked up, I would like to move all the wood from down there, maybe behind the well house, come up and come in sideways and drop it all right here. I mean, I have this brush that we can kind of burn and get rid of, but yeah. We probably have like 2 acres of grass that can't be cut right now due to the fact that we have overgrowth over the trees. We probably snake infested. Just trying to work, coming into summer. We're right out of spring break for school. Summertime, time to clean up. We're gonna get back to it. I'm going to try to keep time-lapsing some grass cutting, and realistically bush hogging is what I'm doing. How would you explain this? Like, what's a good way to explain what happened?
Family friend.
Kinda. Some guy took advantage of our grandma. So some dude was moving from another county. He was selling his house. He had all this on his property, and he had like a on the side wood splitting thing that he was doing, selling firewood, stuff like that. And somehow or another, he convinced my grandma to bring his stockpile of wood over here for temporary storage, and you know, whatever, just bring it over here. She can get some firewood out of it, we can get some firewood out of it. Just a temporary thing that was going to happen. And that was what, 5 years ago? 4 to 5, yeah. So needless to say, it's pretty much our wood now, and it's our responsibility, and it's our, overall, it's really our problem to deal with this now. So we've kind of neglected this side, hoping that one day he would come and get the wood and take it all out. And as time has gone on, our negligence, now we got to do something about it. So
get rid of it. Get rid of it. But that's easier said than done.
A lot easier said than done. So how do we get rid of this much firewood is the $1 million question that I've been faced with. Last summer, me and 4 or 5 friends got together and split a bunch of it that was right up here on this side. I mean, there was a lot of firewood. There still is a lot of firewood. And the longer it sits here, the more rotted it gets. I mean, it's not getting any better. It's not getting any more prime. The overall goal of all this wood that we have for the time being is to try to get it moved to this big pile back here on the back side. I showed it to you earlier in the video. Cameraman's got it right now. We got to knock the rest of this brush down and clean it out over there. But hopefully we can, well, come on, let's just show them the depth of the wood, because I haven't really showed that yet. This is a new load that last year he told the people that they could drop and didn't consult us or tell us anything about it. But this is a new load of wood that we got, a more recent load. And there's a little hole right down here on this side of the hill. We had cleaned that out, pulled a lot of that up. We had pulled all of this wood right here out and split all it. Then they just came in and dropped it. These are some big logs.
I ain't never heard that before. I'm sure you haven't.
Anyways, yeah, I guess it's different than the normal content we're producing. We're just trying to show what goes on around here at Faulkner Fab. That's pretty much going to be it for the video. If you like this kind of content, let me know. I appreciate everyone who watches the videos. And if you didn't like the video, I get it. Peace.